Hey everyone, this is Tim from YourSixStudios. Today in the studio I'm going to show you how to clean your sticky buttons on your PlayStation 4 controller so they don't stick when you press them in. So let's go ahead and jump in the video right now. So in this video I will be using a Q-tip and also a toothpick. Then additionally I will be using some rubbing alcohol to help me clean the buttons and make them not stick. So the first thing I am going to do is I'm going to take my toothpick and these little gaps around the button, I'm just going to take my toothpick and I'm going to work it in there just to make sure if there's any like dead skin in here or anything else. I'm going to uplift it and get it out of those little spacing, and I'm going to do this to every little button and just get it off of there. So just go around with your toothpick and lift up anything that's stuck in there, and that could also help it prevent it from sticking. So I went ahead and did that with my toothpick. And also this little side seam right here, just go along here and it will lift up a bunch of dead skin, and just do this around this entire little seam. Go around here and up around your charging area. And if you haven't done this before, you are going to be like disgusted at how dirty this was. And I've already done this before. I've taken apart this controller many times. This is kind of like my tutorial controller, so I didn't have a lot of dead skin. So now take your Q-tip and dip it into the rubbing alcohol. Otherwise you can use nail polish remover. And then just go around the buttons just like this and try to clean it out really good. And go around multiple times. And if you're using rubbing alcohol, this should dry up really quickly, so you shouldn't have to worry about damaging your controller. So just clean this really good. Go around all the buttons and make sure you're getting anything that's kind of lifted up out of there. So I'm going to go around my other buttons here and my triangle button. Now let's go around my square button. So after cleaning it out with the rubbing alcohol, go ahead and press the button in multiple times and see if it's still sticking. So do this about 40 to 50 times. And if it's still sticking, go ahead and just repeat the process and see if that helps. So if this video did indeed help you prevent your buttons on your PlayStation 4 controller from sticking, leave it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel down below for more PlayStation tech help tips coming up next on YourSixStudios.